honestly the work I'm doing. So you go through school and you have this idea of what you want your experience to be, what you want your education to kind of culminate in, what you want your end goal to look like. And so here at Bell, I've actually been able to do a substantial amount of design work, which is really what I'm passionate about. Going through, I was all the way from a freshman, I've known I wanted to do aerospace engineering since I was in high school.
The excitement. Of course there's excitement in college, but it's an entirely different thing. Like every day I know I'm working on something that's really important and really adding value to the company. I'm getting to talk to customers, I'm getting to work with my boss on research into different companies and customers, and so I'll kind of miss knowing that I'm making a difference, and it's a big difference and they're all important projects.
Everyone wants to help me. I'm talking to people on different programs and they're all very open about what they're doing and what they can do to help me, which is what means a lot to me. Knowing that the work I'm doing right now can affect an aircraft before I even come back next summer. That's just a huge thing to think, what I'm spending my summer doing right now is gonna make effects way past when I'm here. Like when I leave, someone's still gonna be doing something with the design that I just did. One thing I've learned about myself this summer is my supervisor told me that I am not a normal engineer. He told me that I have the communication and cross-functional skills to work with different groups. It's really allowed me to gain confidence and build my cross-functional communication skills, which I think is really important because it allows me to learn more about every aspect of the aircraft instead of just what I'm doing. I get to learn how what I'm doing affects what everyone else is doing.
The thing I learned from this summer is that it's okay to say yes. If there's an opportunity in front of you and you're not sure if you're the best person to tackle it, if you have enough time to tackle it, it's okay to say yes and throw yourself into these opportunities and these growing experiences, because after all said and done, you're gonna grow from it, you're gonna learn from it, and you're gonna become a better person overall. And I feel like that was a huge step for me.
Everybody wants to help each other, which is something that I don't think you get everywhere.
And especially with the intern program, I think there's an understanding that you will make mistakes, right? Because realistically, you're a student. You're coming into the workplace for the first time. So no one expects you to be perfect, but everyone, I guess, recognizes the potential that you have. So you're able to kind of take your mistakes, learn from them, and then kind of propel yourself and your entire team into something more successful in the future.